Another embarrassing lapse from Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde. He ended up naming in Parliament the 3 minor girls who were raped and murdered in Bhandara, Maharashtra. The Home Minister named those victims in Parliament. That reference was expunged after Arun Jaitley drew Shinde's attention to this mistake. But those names figured again in Shinde's statement that was released by the Home Ministry. That press release has subsequently been withdrawn. Shinde has admitted his mistake and ordered an inquiry.
Victims are never named. The identity of the victims is always kept a secret.
Yes.
In paragraph 2 of the Honorable Home Minister's statement, the name of all the 3 victims has come in.
Will you please explain again?
No, the point is the victims' names have been already in the list. If they are real names, they should not be there.
Yeah, I think that
now the Honorable LOP has raised a very, very important point. See, I would therefore take this step that those names are expunged.
हाउस में जो बात आ गई एलओपी ने बताया तो उसके बाद वो हमने भी विड्रॉ कर ले लिया और चेयरमैन साहब ने जो डिप्टी चेयरमैन बैठे थे उन्होंने भी विड्रॉ के ऑर्डर्स दे दिए हैं और इसके बारे में मैंने सेक्रेटरी को बोला है कि इसकी इंक्वायरी करो. Yeah, they are minor girls. That is why it is removed, expunged.
Wait, and you have ordered an inquiry into this matter?
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Who is conducting an inquiry?
वो अभी जाने दो यार.
I think what happened is clearly something that the Home Minister didn't want to insist upon, and I think very graciously he withdrew. So I don't think there should be an issue on this at all.
आज गृह मंत्री ने जिस प्रकार से सदन में बयान दिया है वो इस बात को दर्शाता है कि या तो वो कानून जानते नहीं हैं या तो वो इग्नोरेंट है और अगर वो इग्नोरेंट हैं तो सवाल ये उठता है कि ऐसे इनकॉम्पिटेंट व्यक्ति को क्या देश के गृह मंत्री होने का अधिकार है? क्या उनकी पार्टी में एक ऐसा व्यक्ति कॉम्पिटेंट नहीं है जो देश के गृह मंत्री बनने लायक हो? क्या इनकॉम्पिटेंस ही आज एक ऐसी विशिष्ट ट्रेट बन गई है जिसके आधार पर आप देश के गृह मंत्री बन सकते हैं?
Coming from Home Minister of India is totally unpardonable. It is government who should take cognizance of this because he has violated the law of the land by making such an irresponsible statement. He must be, taken to task for what he has done.
It's very unfortunate and very shocking that the Home Minister chose to name those poor victims who were actually brutally raped and murdered in Bhandara.
This brings us to some big questions that we're asking today on CNN-IB, and even when corrected by Jaitley, why did Shinde ask him to explain again? Why is the Home Minister so ignorant of this law? And as an ex-policeman, shouldn't Shinde have been aware of the law? Why did the Ministry of Home Affairs release that statement with names even after that part being expunged in Parliament? Is Shinde passing the buck by ordering a probe into his own department's lapses?
Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde has withdrawn his remarks revealing the identity of the Bhandara rape victims who were minors. An inquiry has also been ordered into the goof-ups. Sources tell us that a joint secretary level officer had collected all the information from Maharashtra police and forwarded it to the Home Minister's office. But this division of Home Ministry insists that the final draft of the speech that the Home Minister read out in Parliament was not prepared by them. It was the Home Minister's office which handled the speech and the draft of it. But the question is, even if this was a bureaucratic mistake, how come the Home Minister did not realize the enormity of the goof-up when he was reading out the statement on the floor of the House? In fact, it was Leader of the House, Leader of the Opposition in Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley, who had to point out that this was in violation of laid out guidelines. And even then, the Home Minister did not realize. The Home Minister was an ex-policeman, and yet his sensitivity towards sexual assault minor victims, is something that the opposition is crying hoarse over. Question is, will Congress party hold him accountable for yet another goof-up?
Meanwhile, Shinde also under fire after he made a statement in the Rajya Sabha over Arun Jaitley's